Ever wonder what your website looks like to a complete stranger? Before they know anything about you, before they ask Google about your business, and is Google able to return your website's search results? The Web Audit can help answer some of those questions. The Web Audit is a macOS application built for site owners and small teams who just want a straight answer. Is my site set up reasonably well? And what can the public actually see? You paste a URL, hit scan, and it does the rest. While it runs, you get to see a live log session, same kind of output you'd see in any typical terminal. It's a passive scan. It only looks at what any visitor could reach over the network. It doesn't log into your site. It doesn't poke around behind a login. The scan is public only. It checks things like HTTP headers, redirects, cookies, your TLS certificate, DNS records, email protection, things like SPF, DKIM, DMARC as common exposed paths, and it runs a headless browser pass for things a static, single call request would typically miss. When it's done, you get a hygiene rating and an exposure rating, plus a short plain language summary right here. Good starting point if you just want the big picture, and if you need to hand this off to a developer or tech admin, the full report has them covered too. There's a dedicated technical section with the details they actually need: headers, DNS records, certificate info, exposed paths, all in one place, no back and forth required. Open the full report in your browser. Owner-friendly layout comes first and technical details pages last. Everything in one app to manage, keep, return when needed, or compare the overall progress later. For the data privacy and security, all generated scan reports save locally to your documents folder only. Nothing goes to the cloud unless you choose to share. You can zip the report and send it to a developer, or share via mail, messages, or AirDrop. They open it in any browser. No app needed. Now let's talk about why this app exists. Why did I build it? Here's the real reason. A lot of small business owners pay for a website, pay for ads, pay for SEO, and then just have to take it on faith that it's all good and working. They're not developers. They've never seen or hear things like GraphQL, JS rendering, REST API, Next.js, TLS, headers, 200 or 403 HTTP status codes. Sure, they can hire an engineering team and pay premium for all of that, but let's get real. If you are a small business owner, can you really afford that? Here's the thing most site owners don't think about until it's too late. You're paying for work you have no way to validate. Your admin makes changes, your support team tweaks things, someone installs a plugin, and you just have to trust it went well. No visibility, no baseline, no way to ask the right questions even if you wanted to. Security gaps, misconfigurations, exposed paths, these don't come with a warning label, and by the time something goes wrong, you've already paid for it twice. Web Audit doesn't fix that problem, but it gives you something most owners never have: a way to see what your web is actually doing from the outside. A checkpoint or a way to ask your admin, "Hey, I ran a scan. Can you walk me through this?" That's not micromanaging. You have every right to know, to stay in control, and to grow. After all, that's how real trust gets built between you and the people your online business relies on. As I've mentioned earlier, Web Audit only looks at what any visitor on the internet can already see. It never logs in anywhere. It doesn't upload your data. Every report saves to your documents folder. You control what you scan, what you share, and what you keep. Web Audit application is an outside-in hygiene check. It shows what an opportunistic observer might notice without any credentials. This tool is useful after the changes to hosting, DNS, TLS, or WordPress plugins were applied. A way to separate urgent fixes from nice-to-have improvements. And one more important note to take in: Web Audit application is not a penetration test, no exploitation, no trying to break in, not authenticated testing, no member areas, no admin runs, no logged-in views, not a CDN or WAF review. If Cloudflare or similar blocks or hides paths, the scan only sees what the edge allows. Not compliance certification, not PCI or SOC 2, or ISO. Not a replacement for professional security assessment when you need a real depth. If something is behind login or blocked at the edge, it's hidden from the scan, and that's by design. The report may say, "Looks fine from here," while issues still exist inside, and that's expected. Thank you for letting me share this with you today. Web Audit is signed and notarized by Apple, reviewed, approved, and free to use. You can download it directly from the GitHub repository, and if you're a developer or not on macOS, it's also available as a ready-to-pull Docker image on the GitHub Container Registry. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.
Lights go on, the lights go off. When things don't feel right,